Is TikTok Creator Rewards program really worth it? Let me tell you about my experience and why I think it might not be as great as they make it seem. Hello everyone! If you're a creator on TikTok or thinking about joining the Creator Rewards program, this video is for you. I'm going to be sharing my personal experience with the program and why I think it might actually be more of an exploitation of creators than a rewarding opportunity. So here how it works. TikTok pays you based on qualified views, which means views from new people, those coming from your For You page. Sounds great, right? Except for the fact that the algorithms controls everything. As creators, we have absolutely no control over who sees our videos. It's like we are playing a game where the rules are set by TikTok and we don't even know how to win. What's worse, your views from your followers, people who actively follow and support your content, don't even count toward your earnings. So what's the point of building a community if only new viewers matter? If TikTok truly wanted to support creators, they would prioritize the people who already love your content. I had to get 1,000 qualified views to earn just a few cents. Yeah, you heard me right. After all the time, effort, and money I've put into creating quality content, editing, research, shooting, I'm barely making anything. And meanwhile, viral videos with low effort, no captions, and poor quality are getting all the attention. Now, it's not just the pay that's the issue. TikTok also flagged a comment I made in my native Jamaican language without understanding the cultural context. This is a global platform, and if you're going to be hosting content from creators around the world, you need to understand and respect different languages and identities. Otherwise, you're just silencing voices and limiting freedom of expression. The bottom line is, TikTok's Creators Rewards program seems more like a way to exploit content creators than to actually support them. Creators are paying for apps, spending hours making content, and yet we are expected to be grateful for barely any reward while the platform profits. The platform might look like it's built for creators, but it's really built for TikTok's own agenda. If you're considering joining the Creator Rewards program, just know that it might not be what you expect. You're not in control and the platform seems to be stacking the odds against you. Share your thoughts if you have had similar experiences or if you feel the same way about TikTok's treatment of creators. Thanks for watching, and let's continue to call out the flaws in this system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Let's keep the conversation going. Creators deserve better.